Is it actually recording? Yes, it is.
I won't start speaking until we actually get on the road.
Okay.
So what I have to do is drive a very familiar route normally when I'm doing this. Otherwise, it's too much to think about for that.
Yeah.
So I'm going to go up the dual carriageway to oh my gosh, for coilovers. Oh my gosh. I really like those Monte Carlo edition Skodas.
Oh yeah, from a neighbour of mine's got one of those.
Yeah.
I know, sold it, damn.
Because you can't get a VRS anymore.
No.
You can't get a VRS Fabia. So it's Monte Carlo, which is the same engine as my Toledo, 110 TSI. That's the top engine for the Fabia now.
Yeah.
Which is one of the up GTI as well.
I was going to borrow it off him from video, but he's chopped it in for a four-wheel drive estate.
What? Oh, the gearboxes will do fine. I don't drive very fast, Matt.
Oh, okay.
I drive fast enough, but I don't drive like Ben. Is that normal or this rattling?
It's an old Rover. They rattle.
Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh!
Cavalier.
Oh my gosh! And it's got a pre-facelift front end. What the?
That was an aftermarket front end.
What's going on? Oh my gosh!
I think I caught that on camera.
I hope you did. I really hope so.
Hey, the same colour as my new car.
Right, let's just see what we've got. Okay, yeah, you can tell it's normally aspirated, can't you? Actually quite like this. But surprisingly. Right, I'm going to get the other side of a roundabout, and when we go up the hill to Caterham, I'll start, once I'm in shop, I will start talking properly.
Do you want me to talk back and interact or not?
If I sort of acknowledge you're kind of there, then yeah, but normally I don't.
No, that's all right.
I'll do the interview with you later.
Yeah, that's fine.
On brakes. The brakes are nice and firm. That's good. Although the clutch is very different position from the brake pedal.
Yeah.
So we'll just get up the hill. I think we'll not do that because we're in a Rover.